Patapos na ang 2025. Anong plano mo sa buhay? Mangungupahan ka pa din ba? At magtitiis ka pa din sa maingay at traffic na city life? Magtitiis ka pa din ba na tuwing ikay natutulog, ikay nababagabag? Natatakot dahil baka ikay babahain? Let's start your property wish list this 2026. A home in a safe master plan community, accessible to school, work, and transport. Flexible payment option that fit your budget. A space where your family can grow. Because buying a home isn't just a purchase, it's a plan for your future. Planning early means better choices and smart decisions. Message me now and let's build your 2026 home ownership plan today for as low as 15K only to reserve the unit. Once again, this is Archie De La Rosa, your friendly kapitbahay from Easy Homes. Dahil sa Easy Homes, home ownership made easy.